Hi, you keep on meowing. Do you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. So cute, Maleficent. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Just got the goods. I got a milkshake, and I wonder if this burger is gonna be good. It's like a vegetarian one at McDonald's. I usually get the animal style grilled cheese, so I'm trying that, but McDonald's version, so let's see if this baby's good. Let's see if this is good. I don't know. In and out. And way better. And cheese isn't melted. We tried them. It's so beautiful out today, guys. Just on a little lunch break, doing my thing, eating some food, and it's just so nice today. It's so refreshing. It's finally the wind's calming down. I think spring's in the air, and we're gonna have some warm weather up here. I'm excited. Guys, I'm at the grocery store right now buying some things, and look how cute this is. I get this brand where I actually get this hairspray that's more expensive and cheap gel. So the hairspray helps the gel like work on my hair. And I just saw this cute little gel. Look how cute this is. So tiny. When you come to get all the Valentine's clearance candy and there's literally like nothing left, the shelves are empty. Like what? It's usually never like this, guys. I'm able to get like heart chocolate boxes and stuff. So sad. It's all gone. So I think I'm gonna do a candy haul when I got home. I did a little damage. And yeah, just doing some weekend errands and getting the goods. Martha Stewart is the DIY queen, guys. Look how cute this is. It's like a little table too. It'd be perfect for your little familiar. Hey guys, so I just came from Rite Aid and I bought 2 big boxes of chocolates, Valentine's Day on sale candies. These are gonna be so good. There's 40 pieces in each box, so I can't wait to devour these. You know me, I just love my sweets, so what else did I get? There wasn't too much this year. It was sad. There's usually always stuff, but not too much this year. I got like 2 boxes of Dum Dum Pops because we gotta have a good lollipop and Asian people just love these. And I got these Lindor chocolates, guys. They're white chocolate filling inside. They're gonna be so yummy. I can't wait to eat these. And I also got some Snickers because it was the last bag. Like, duh, gotta get those. And this was the last bag of these, are the Hershey's Cookies and Cream Chocolate, my all-time favorite, like Hershey's chocolate, or at least one of them. And there's a little hole in it, so hopefully I won't die, but I just wanted them because they're so good. So that's my little Valentine's Day extravaganza haul. Are you even watching what you're filming, Mason? Is it awkward? But anyways, really excited to get all these goods, guys, and happy to finally wear this shirt. I wore it in like one YouTube video and that's it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah. I'm like such a bad vlogger, guys, because I'm still sick, but I want to start like vlogging again soon. But I just made myself a really yummy salad. Gonna grab on this, and I also was working on making some rice. So we got the rice cooking, and we're gonna make some food. Got the little Buddha. Hello magical souls, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because I'm gonna be going to LA. My dad's gonna go help a friend out, but anyways, I'm gonna be able to see downtown LA and haven't been there since I was maybe like 7 years old or something for my parents' wedding when they were getting wedding flowers. So it's gonna be really neat to go over there. Hopefully I could run into a YouTuber or someone I admire, would be great, and just experience life in a different view because I just love where I live, guys. The trees, the mountain, the nature, obviously. I'm just a magical soul, but I do like my bougie stuff. I like my human self too, so let's go see what's up. And I'm wearing this fun Coach outfit. I was gonna wear this for my birthday, but oh well, we're wearing it today. It's a Star Wars X Coach collab, and I'll do a little OOTD later. Might do my makeup on the way, but really not in the mood, but moisturize my face so I look really oily. But yeah, gonna go to LA. Bye mountains, see you later. Miss you mountains, love ya, but we'll be back later, Gaia. Peace out. And I wasn't in the mood to go into the gas station, so my dad brought out some goods. We got birthday cake cupcakes. We got these iced vanilla zingers. Ooh, I kind of want to eat one of each, to be honest with you guys. They look bomb. He got himself some soda, and I am never hydrated, so whether if I like it or not, I need to drink water first, guys, and have some fun drinks later. Ooh, I hope there's gonna be like a boba shop or something, because I really miss some of my Asian roots. I want to have like an Asian drink and get some goods. Ooh, so excited. Oh, how funny. This matches my bracelet too, the blue vibes. Let's drink some water. I don't know about you guys, but when I used to watch Jesse and Gina's vlogs, they would always say water because they're from Jersey, and ever since hearing that, it just sounds funny, like it's different. So I like to say water to be funny. Get in the water. I spotted GTR. If that's the right car, I don't know. Reminds me of Roman that one. is so sad, guys. My dad's friend's car got totaled on the highway. It just exploded and caught fire. This is crazy, guys. What? I'm in LA. Can we talk about that? I haven't been here since I was 7, so we in a tow place. Hi guys, look at this crazy door. It's like a huge safe door. It's massive. So crazy. This massive grandfather clock, guys. It's so huge, so crazy. It reminds me of the one in Charmed. So big. This grandfather clock is massive, guys. It's crazy. Hey guys, look at these flowers, just chilling. It's late at night right now. Got a little blazer on. So I'll definitely be doing a haul, guys, but these are just some of the suits I got. This is crazy. I just love when God blesses you. So much cool stuff. Gonna wear these in so many different videos. Gonna last me like the whole year. I'm so excited to eat my lunch, guys. I got this fried tofu from the Asian market and we got some kimchi. So excited to eat this. Homemade kimchi, homemade food. Can't wait to dig into this scrub. We got ourselves a little treat, guys. Every goddess needs a little chalice with a little fun. So we got some champagne with Capri Sun, and honestly, I'm here living for it, guys. It's actually so good. Like, who would have ever thought Capri Sun and champagne? It's so good, guys. I just finished filming a little story time video about how I got all these blazers. And I honestly feel so blessed. Like, thank you to God and all the Ascended Masters. So hopefully I'll be editing that because I think it's kind of a long video, guys. But hopefully it'll be coming soon. And that is also another cute picture. And I got these tulips, guys. I wasn't sure like what they were gonna be because they were like buds still. I was really hoping they would be red tulips, but they ended up being pink. So we got some flowers. I kind of redid my altar too. So it's just looking like this right now. I think I'm probably going to change it again, but I just got some of like my crystals out, my paper flowers. We got Goddess Nyx. So not an official altar tour, guys. Think I might change some things around. And over here, I just got some stuff I got to put away. But yeah, that's just how it's looking. And now that Valentine's Day is over, I should probably put my hearts away. But I just wanted to leave this out because it's like a box full of crystals instead of chocolate. And I'm going to put some of the red away. We got to get all the green vibes going for St. Patty's Day. It is here. It is coming soon. So I need to decorate for the holiday. Maleficent, were you going to drink this? I see you. I saw you. Do I need to lint roll you? Too cute. What you doing, Maleficent? You grooming yourself? You're so cute. My little kitty. She's so cute, guys. She's so sweet sometimes. In the other moment, she's just so bratty. Say hi.